my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you're happy, one of my little doll babies, hi doll baby, 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 how are you? So happy that you are here. So today is a special little video because I am reviewing this beautiful girl and also trying out a new wig grip. So it's like a 2-for-1. 2-for-1. Yeah, it's a 2-for-1. So if you want 2-for-1, stick around. I'll include clips and things of her cap construction and the construction of the wig grip as well. She didn't take much to get together, but this is Belle Tress's Costa Rica HF, and it's in the color chocolate with caramel. Okay, I got her, she was from name brand wigs, listed for $248.50, but it was 70% off because this is a discontinued style, but it is readily available. And it's, so I got it for $74.55. Let me get some deets up on her. Deets, 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 deets. Costa Rica is lace front, monofilament, and then the rest of the cap is wefted. It's an average cap. This is a heat-friendly wig. And yeah, so that's what you need to know about her. This particular wig I actually am giving to my mom. So my mom really wanted this one. And she's been wanting to find a wig that she can kind of wear more on a regular basis. So I'm really excited about that. But this is a really so light. I think she said her full weight was 3 ounces. This is a very, very light wig. She is still available. There may not be a ton of color options, but this color is so pretty. And I really enjoy this wig. She is sort of a silkier texture. So this is, you know, it could be multicultural, but if you are looking for more European, Caucasian feeling hair, then this would be what you need to be. She's got a little bit of curl here in the front, but again, she is heat safe, so you could go ahead and curl her. Let's look at her from the back. I misplaced my mirror, so yeah, that's super cute. In the back, how it comes down. This definitely is a style my mom's gonna like. It reminds me of her quite a bit, but it is very, very comfortable. The wig grip is super comfortable as well. I usually like lace wig grips. This one has sort of that, you know, tapered lace, I think to help accommodate wigs that, you know, might have more lace here and then come back. So if it's lace front with lace parting. I mean, unless you had a wig that was shaped like that, the lace, I don't think it's like necessary, but the wig grip in general, I will put all the D's down below, but I'm definitely, it's under $10. I think it was either $6.99 or $7.99. So it's comfortable and it's worth it. I really enjoy the feel of it. It's a very light wig grip. Some wig grips can be a little bit thick. I do have a wig grip roundup video that I put up a little while ago, and I actually reviewed quite a few since then, so I will go ahead and I'm probably gonna have to film a part 2 of that, but I will link the first roundup for you to watch if you want to. Yeah, Costa Rica, I think she's a great buy, especially like that closeout price. Perfect sort of everyday wig, very light. You know, so light if you want it just light on your head, or if you're looking for like more of a summer wig, I think that this is a really good option. So that is what I have for you for this video. If you have this wig and you have some thoughts, go ahead and put that down below. I will link my name brand wig playlist down below so you can see all the name brand wigs, including Belle Tress wigs that I have reviewed. Okay, if there's a wig that you want to see reviewed that's not in there, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you. Why? I'll see you in my next video. Bye.